A person holds a tomato in their hand, proudly displaying it to the camera saying, "Look at this. This isn't just a tomato. It looks more like jewelry that can be bought in installments." With an exaggerated shout, the person holds up the electricity bill and exclaims, "Looking at this bill, it seems like the government wants us to use candles instead of our fridge and fans." The person feeling inspired picks up a bell pepper and declares, "And here we have another gem from the market ready to add some color to our meals." With a furrowed brow, the person gazes at the chaotic scene around them, muttering, "Who knew making dinner could feel like solving a complex puzzle?" In a moment of pure joy, the person twirls around the kitchen laughing and exclaiming, "This is what cooking should feel like, fun and a little messy." Proudly presenting the final dish, the person beams and states, "After all that chaos, look at this masterpiece. Who knew I had it in me?" As the person takes a bite, they exclaim with excitement, "This tastes even better than I imagined. Maybe I found my true calling after all."